Hi everyone, Coca here from HubSpot. I wanted to record this video today because this was a question that was raised recently in one of my demo. So someone asked me, okay, we've seen the bot actually in place, but now we want to see how do you create the bot? This is something that is obviously not shown in the demo. We don't want to bore the customers with all the building and the settings in HubSpot because there are plenty. But just to let you know, you can build an AI bot within minutes. And maybe if you want to add a lot of resources, for example, in one of the AI content that is going to be feeding the bot later on to generate the answers, then maybe it's going to take a little bit longer just to put all the links in there, right? But if your knowledge base is in HubSpot, your web pages and landing pages are in HubSpot, it's going to be way easier as well. So I'm just going to show you how to build a quick bot. I'm not going to use the one that I'm going to build now, just so because I haven't created more pages where I can put it on, but I will test the same one that I always test. But apart from that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you one of the views that I just created. This is to have an overview of how many chats, how many tickets are being handled by the AI. And then I'll show you a quick report that I have here that also shows you how many have been handled by the AI. Okay, so first of all, we are going to build this quick bot. So we create a chatbot. If you don't know where that is, I'm going to take a step back and I'm going to show you is in automations and then chat flows. And then you just click in create chat flows. Again, for this, you will need a service of professional or enterprise, and you will be able to create this bot. So now that I click on the button, I can choose what is this AI bot going to be connected to. In this case, is my health test. I'm going to put it in English, but it could be in different languages too. And I'm going to use live chat. So this is the only requirement. Then you give it a name, test2 AI. So you will have a welcome message, pretty straightforward. You will choose if you want to connect your knowledge base or not. And you have to choose who is this ticket going to be assigned to. Whenever it comes to going through the AI, let's say didn't answer the questions for the customers, so or the customers still want to, like, I don't know, go through more details on the possible answers. So then you choose who is going to be assigned to. But first of all, it's going to be assigned to my AI, and then if the customer if the AI can't answer the question, it's going to be assigned to myself in this case. Okay, so that's it, pretty much what you need to do. Another good point is if you want to have different AI bots in many different pages for, I know, maybe you have different tiers of customers, you can choose in which page it's going to appear. So in this case, what I've done with this bot that I have here, I put it in the knowledge base. So it shows, it appears in the knowledge base. But if I go to my website, as you can see here, I don't know if this website is going to work. Oh, I'm getting a call. Okay, I'm just going to pause and I'm going to continue after. So I'm back. We're setting up the AI bot. And in this case, we select the page where this is going to be appearing on. And at the same time, you can also select who this is going to be shown to. So again, if let's say you put this AI bot, for example, in the main page, but you only want it to appear for a specific tier of customers, you can do that with a segmented list. Or if you want to create for a different bot for different countries or different languages of the pages, you can also do that. Then very straightforward, choose the avatar, the display behavior, when is it going to appear, when it's gonna the customer is going to get the pop-up, and the communication for the data. So again, It didn't take me longer than 5 minutes just to go through all these settings. And here is where you feed the when you feed the AI with all the URLs. These URLs have to be public again. But as I mentioned before, if your knowledge base website or landing pages are in HubSpot, you can just select them like that. If you want to import a public URL, you can just do it like that. You can do more than one at once, and then once that is ready, you will see the page appearing here as informing syncing, and you can just close, go around, and then once is completely synced, which might take less than 1 minute, it will be shown as synced in here. So um, that's how the AI bot works. Now, uh, here again, so I'm just gonna ask one question about like, I know, tell me, or how can I find my invoices? And you will see that it will give me an answer in a second, but I'll show you as well how these look in the in here. And this is the one that just came in. So if I click in here, it will show me all the information or of how the AI is handling this conversation. And once I finish this, the ticket obviously is going to be closed. I can see a summary. This is actually pretty new, guys, and I would recommend you taking a look, adding it into your right side panel. Um, and that's it. Then it comes to the reporting. So first of all, just to clarify, you don't lose any data whenever it's being handled by the AI bot. It's all stored in HubSpot. You still have it. You will have all the information here, all the SLAs, everything, and then you can have it in a report. Okay, so even if this, for example, is being handled by the AI bot, I can set up automation in the background that sets the right ticket type, for example. I can use a couple of keywords in a workflow that identify that this is regarding invoices, and I can set these to FAQ, feature requests, or anything like that. But then, for example, once I close these, you can also set up these obligatory or mandatory fields. And here I can say this was a billing issue, and this was invoice correction, and this is closed. How it looks in the customer side, it will show that the chat has been closed and they can give me feedback. Okay, so that was it. That was a quick video, but I just wanted to show you like how you can create an AI bot. How long does it take? You can see how easy it is and how it's being handled as well with the AI, but also how you can report on these tickets. Okay, have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.